Hello beauties, good evening and welcome back to the channel. This is Chi Organic Skincare. In case you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. So guys, I want to give you guys this effective, simple but very effective whitening molato soap recipe. This recipe is super effective. It whitens like no man's business. So guys, stick back as we go straight into the video. But before then, I would like to take out this time to say hello and hi to my able subscribers. You guys are the best. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. And if you are coming across my channel for the first time, you're welcome. Subscribe, like my videos, share my videos, and give your girl a good thumbs up. This is cheap and skincare. In case you're coming across my channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. So guys, you don't need to break the bank or go bankrupt just because you want to make whitening products for your brand. If you're into skincare, see, there are so many simple recipes out there that are very and super effective. You don't need to break the bank. You don't need to do much just because you want to sell out to your customers. You even though you incorporate simple recipes, it will come out good if you are using original materials and you know what you are doing, like you know what you're formulating. You're gonna come out with super strong whitening products for your customers. Yeah, at least you make gain now from this thing. You don't need to just use all your money, all your capitals plus again in producing another batch of product, and then you go empty without money. With simple recipes, simple effective recipes, you're gonna achieve whitening products at last for your customers that you will sell out and make enough gain. So guys, let me not waste much time. I promise you guys to bring in to you people simple effective recipe that works. Yeah, that really works for your customers. So in case of any noise at the background, please, I am still at the shop. This is past 7 o'clock. I'm still in my shop. So guys, let's go straight into the video. So the first I have here is the Larissa soap. We need 5 pieces of your Larissa soap, your orange naked soap. I'll paste the pictures for you guys to see. You need 5 pieces. Your mulatto base, you need one rubber of your mulatto base. Your sepia white serum, you need two bottles. Alpha arbutin serum, you need 2 bottles. Your peak ozone soap, you need 4 pieces. Skin free milk, 3 bottles. Kojic deep powder, 200 grams. Formadent soap, it's an anti-reaction soap that will help to prevent any form of skin reaction, ringworms, white patches, white dots, stretch mark, and what have you. You need 2 tablet soap of the Farmaden soap. Then your mulatto activator oil. You need 500 ml, which is 500 ml. Yeah, which is half liter of a white of a 1 liter or 1 liter. You need 500 ml to add to this. So this is an activator oil that whitens the skin. Yeah, it helps to boost up the effectiveness of this particular recipe or particular product into a whitening product. So guys, how do you make this? In your bowl, grate all soaps, then soak with your shower gel. You can use nano white shower gel, you can use your dodo shower gel, carotene shower gel. Please make sure your shower gel is orange in color. Yeah, orange in color, or you use a pure white colored shower gel or your orange color shower gel so that your soap will not change color. So you just pour it into the grated soaps and soak it overnight. Then the next day you can go in with your kojic deep powder and your sepia white serum, your alpha butane serum, your skin free milk, and then your activator. Then you still blend very well and package. The pure white molasses soap is ready. So guys, how do you use this soap? If you want to bake, just apply some little water, pour water on your skin, take from the soap, massage all over your body, keep those massaging and rubbing it around for like 3 to 4 minutes. Then you take your sponge and then you scrub your skin. That's how to use this soap. And don't forget to also exfoliate your skin while using this soap. You can also use a lightning oil to help to moisturize your skin, because black soap or any soap, they tend to what is it called, dry out the skin. So make sure to use the moisturizer to moisturize your skin, to keep your skin from drying out. So that is all about it. If you guys like what I post here, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share my videos, give a girl a good thumbs up, and follow for more recipes. So guys, I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.